Going late for lunch. Hey, Pat.
About that boy.
Oh, wait, Harry, who's that?
After all, Tim's only 15.